decided to bring out the ice fishing pole. I think it's a 32 incher, and I'm going to try to catch a topwater carp on it. There we go.